Yeah, I mean, if you look in the right places, you will
I've been driving in my car. It's not quite a Jaguar. I walked into Primrose Hill from a boat from Brazil. It was made in 59 in a factory by the time. It says Morris on the door, the GPO owned it before. I drive in it for my job, the governor calls me a slob, but I don't really care. Give me some gas in the open air. It's a bit old, but it's mine. I mend it in my spare time. Just last week I changed the oil, the rocker valves and the coil. Just last week I changed the oil. Last week it went round the clock. I also had a little knock. I rented somebody's finger. He learned not to park and I bet that.
Yeah, I mean, if you just look in the right places, and you will see them, because they're going to be perched at vantage points.
Yeah.
Where? Just flown through there, look.
Where?
It's just flown there.
Where am I
It was
looking?
in the tree. Oh, I can't believe that.
Well, I might have caught
Oh,
it.
dear.
I'll check
Check it.
Yeah, if I...
I've even been to Selseyville. I drove along the A45. I had her up to 58. This copper stopped me the other day. Your mistake, what could I say?